How to delete a message in TikTok's inbox. Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guide Genie. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to delete a message in TikTok's inbox. Deleting messages can help you maintain your privacy and declutter your conversations. Now let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on Inbox at the bottom to access your TikTok messages. Step 3. Select the desired account or chat where the message you want to delete is located. Step 4. Within the chat, find the message you wish to delete, then tap and hold on the message until a menu appears. Step 5. Tap on Delete to remove the message from the conversation. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete a message in TikTok's inbox, allowing you to manage your conversations more effectively. We hope this guide has been helpful in learning how to delete a message in TikTok's inbox. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the freedom of managing your messages in TikTok's inbox.